Hey guys, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, very warm welcome to Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine, an academic, scientific and medical writing service providers and smart online course platform for you all. In this particular video, you would be understanding the growth of IABM in the last 2 years. What is IABM? Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine, an online platform. What have we done? What is our mission? What is our vision? What have we achieved so far? And what we are trying to achieve for you in the near future. Basically, we have two different components that we've been working on. One is the research component, another one is the academic component. Coming to the research component, we help you in writing the research articles, review articles and so on and so forth, which you would be able to understand in detail in the forthcoming PowerPoint presentation. On the other hand, we are here to give you a lot of insights to develop your skill and groom your career for a better tomorrow in such a way that we conduct much accessible and affordable workshops, webinars, internships, courses, and not only that, we also conduct international conferences. We help you in writing your thesis, book publications and so on and so forth. And the most important thing is we're also coming out with something called as a triple the marker offer for you students, and everything related to your semester and syllabus is going to be at your doorsteps. So please look into this PowerPoint presentation in detail to understand what we are, and let's try to join together, collaborate, and let's get into the success path. And here you go, this PowerPoint presentation is all for you. So as I was just mentioning, Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine, an academic, scientific, medical writing service providers and career-oriented online course platform to transform the education of tomorrow for the students. Let's try to understand what IABM offers for you in this particular platform. So we are academic content writing providers. So we provide you contents with respect to educational course like videos in the form of contents, PPTs, MCQs, online study materials, blogs, ebooks, everything in relation with medical, paramedical, basic science, biotechnology, sports and fitness and so on and so forth of all subjects. We also provide scientific writing services which includes manuscripts not only related to your research article, but also we assist you in review article, case reports, meta-analysis and so on and so forth, and also hypothesis, short communications and so on and so forth. And we assist you in MSc, MD, PhD thesis writing, book publications, book chapter publications, grant proposals and everything in terms of scientific writing services. And the most important part is we have a lot of smart value-added career-oriented skill development programs for the students, which we would be learning in further slides what we are and where do we reach and what are the different courses we have done and what are the plans for the online workshops, CMEs, webinars, internships and certificate courses and conferences that we have done and we are planning for the future. The mission of IABM is to make quality writing service accessible, attainable and affordable. The vision of IABM is to make customized academic contents with 4 I's at IABM. Yes, the 4 I's are innovative, imperative, informative and interesting. These are our research team. We have a basic science expert, we have a clinical expert, we have an editing service team, we have a writing service team, we have journal selection and formatting service team. And suppose you have a data for which you have not done any statistical analysis, you just have to provide us the raw data and we have our statistician to help you analyze your data, and together with an integrated approach our team would serve for your writing services. And when it comes to the academic team, we have a program coordinator or event managers, we have content writers, we have brochure designers, web designers and computer professionals to take care of all your academic needs. So when it comes to the research services, we provide medical, paramedical, allied health science, biotechnology, other basic sciences, pharmaceutical and related writing services at your doorsteps. in any remote corner of the country. And the research service not only just include the writing services, but it also includes conception to delivery until acceptance of your paper, the assistance would be rendered. And this is the flow of the work. This is how we plan the work. We start with writing, editing, proofreading, journal selection and formatting, and we also assist you in giving the comments and revising the paper according to the reviewer's response and assist you till acceptance of your paper. And this includes clinical research articles, case reports, review articles, hypothesis commentaries, letter to the editor, narrative review, systematic review, health policies, and we also help you in writing your meta-analysis. Now the question comes here is, why to choose IABM? There are a lot of publishing services, there are a lot of content writing services which you have come across or you would be coming across in future. So why IABM? Because we are diligent, we are accurate, we do have originality in the work, and we provide you all types of articles. We have a complete A to Z packaging with our team, and we ensure to submit your manuscripts only in UGC Scopus SCI Web of Science Index journals, with definitely without article processing charge. And this is why you have to choose IABM. Not only that, we have an on-time delivery process, we have customized services, we are flexible to work with, we always be in contact with authors, 24/7 support, and we provide the plagiarism report with Authenticate software to ensure the originality of the work, and we are associated until acceptance, and we definitely maintain confidentiality of the data provided by our clients. And this is a small brochure where you can find about us, about our services, and why you need to choose our services. Now coming to the academic events, we always wanted to groom the students' future, and we wanted to transform the education of tomorrow for the students in such a way they would develop their skills, they would be competent enough to fight for the rights of job, career perspective, research, and any field that they wanted to get in. So we have conducted a lot of academic activities, and we are conducting a lot of academic activities for the students, and we conducted an online biology quiz completely free of cost for the students, and we got enormous response. We completed a webinar on the cancer biology and cancer therapeutics. We also completed a big webinar series on stem cell biology from bench to bedside, and we also had something called as the micro mastery program for molecular biology course, and we assisted the students for CSCR competitive exams, and we completed the courses on stem cell, we completed the courses on animal cell culture technology, and we also conducted some other important free competition for the students, which is called Just a Minute. We gave them few topics to select, and they would be talking about for 1 minute, and based on their expressive communication talent and the creativity that is being put forth into the topic, the awards had been given. And we also had a workshop on hands-on training workshop on bioinformatics. Then recently we just completed, in collaboration with DPU FIIE, we completed the DPU Foundation for Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship has been collaborated with us recently for conduction of workshops, certificate courses and conference, and we are proud to say that this international online workshop on scientific writing gave us an enormous response. These are the upcoming events. We completed the differential gene expression analysis just yesterday, and from tomorrow we are starting 2 weeks internship on bioinformatics on behalf of the National Science Day on 28th Feb 2022. We thought it is very important for us to conduct some events for the students. So yesterday on 27th of February we conducted the differential gene expression importance in cancer research, and from tomorrow we are starting the 1st of March, we are starting the 2-week internship on bioinformatics. And not only that, we also take projects for the students. We take final year UG, PG thesis and dissertation works in the following topics which you are seeing over here, and specifically for the sake of this pandemic and for the students who wanted to do the project completely online yet staying at home but learning a lot of softwares and tools which are skill-based development for their career, we are welcoming such students to take up the project on computational biology and bioinformatics. And not only that, we help you in writing your thesis. Suppose you're doing your project anywhere else, and you wanted us to help you for just writing your thesis, then please contact us at the given number. We would help you to write your thesis, and not only that, we would help you to convert your thesis into the form of publication as well. And not only bioinformatics, we are also coming out with other 2 weeks internship programs on stem cell scientific writing, real-time PCR and its data analysis, biostats, research methodology and bioethics, clinical oncology, and many more internship programs. Summer internship programs are on your way. So please stay tuned to our YouTube channel or to our Instagram page to know more about it. And this is going to give you a complete nutshell on what are the different programs that we are planning in next 2 months for you students in different parameters. Please give a pause for this particular video to understand this in detail. And last but not the least, we help you in publishing your book with ISBN in the field of biology and medicine. All you need to do is have some idea, give us a hypothesis. We are with you to write your book with you and ensure that it goes to the publication with international publishers. So if you are aspiring authors or you wanted to become a book author and you wanted to become a bestseller author or a famous author, but you have problem in starting your book, or you have started writing some book and you got stuck, never mind, please do contact us, and we are here to help you in completion of your book and ensure to publish it with international publishers. And this is the app, Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine, which is available in Play Store. As of now, we have not uploaded much of the courses into it. Now our team is vigorously working to promote a lot of courses for you for access for lifetime. So it is going to be a golden opportunity for you wherein you can try looking into this app and learn everything. What are we going to give in this app? We are going to give you the free books in a syllabus oriented, semester oriented manner. We're going to give you video courses and audiobooks as well for your lifetime access. I'm not explaining much about it. There will be another video where we would be explaining the importance of the triple dhamaka that we are coming within there. You can find in the description box a short video I have given in our YouTube channel which will explain this triple dhamaka quickly, and I'll come up soon with this particular triple dhamaka offer once it is ready. Please follow us on social media platform at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube channel as well. And our collaborators are international companies and universities. Present collaborators are national universities and industries. We are still expanding, and our future collaborators would be every Indian who's passionate about learning and writing. All are welcome. Let's together learn and grow. Thank you so much for your kind attention. If you have any queries, please do try to contact us. And I'm sure that all about Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine is very clear to you all, and I'm sure that you would definitely approach us in the contact number and email ID given in this description box. And myself, Dr. Indumati Somsundaram, proprietor of Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine, who completed PhD and postdoc in medical biotechnology in the field of stem cells, and I've been serving with an institute since many years with 42 research publications, 4 books and 8 book chapters, and I've been guiding 3 PhD students and lot many MSc students, and now as a profession I'm a researcher and teacher, and I'm still continuing with it. And because of the passion, a researcher of myself turned into an emerging women entrepreneur, and with your support we are today here. And I'm sure with your extended support, by tomorrow we would create a women empowerment with IABM team and students empowerment by transforming tomorrow's education and research. Thank you so much to all of you for your kind, patient listening, and let's work together and grow together. All the very best. Jai Hind.